Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the first ever vlog by Varisha Ayub Siddiqui. Yeah, there I said it. Firstly, let me lighten you all with my basic introduction. I'm 18 years old. I'm born and brought up here in Karachi, and I'm doing my bachelor's in computer science from Iqra University. This is my first semester, which will be ending really soon, probably in a month or less than that. I must say, time went by real quick because I still feel it was just yesterday when it was my first day at university. Here, there's a rumor that says you will be best of friends with the person you meet at your first day of university. False in my case. I also met somebody who is very nice, and I thought I'll be best of friends with her. But as time went by, it was nothing like that. I found somebody else who is now like a sister to me. Speaking of the COVID-19 pandemic, which made everything terrible, and due to that, nothing has been normal, and neither was my semester normal. It was hybrid, which means not fully on campus and it's neither online. I really want everything to go back to normal so that we can have proper on campus classes again, because I do not enjoy online classes. I'm not a very big fan of them, and I do not even like them because I'm mostly sleeping through the entire classes. I'll be honest, I'm addressing to all these students out there. सो ही रहे होते हैं ना आप सब भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में. It's okay, we all relate. And if you are somebody who loves online classes क्योंकि आपको सोना पसंद है and you just want to sleep through the entire class, then it's okay. Do not get offended, because we all are allowed to have different opinions. It's all right. But I'm really somebody who enjoys on campus classes. That is why I want everything to go back to normal. I feel a proper routine is something which is really essential for all of us to stay sane, and the last year's lockdown also taught us that without having a proper routine, we all will go crazy, we all will go insane. I'm already a social media influencer, a blogger, now a vlogger too, and a content writer, and all of these skills helped me earn a good amount of money that led me to my dream phone, and also it helped me buy a laptop. I'm not somebody who nagged and bothered my parents कि मुझे मेरा ड्रीम फ़ोन लेके दें, I want an iPhone, you have to buy me one. Instead, I worked hard, legit, all day and night, and during the last year's lockdown, I legit worked hard all day, all night, regardless of what time it is, because I wanted to buy my dream phone. Even though I know for sure if I for once asked my parents to get me my dream phone, they would have got me one, because that is how much my mom and dad loves me, as I'm the youngest, or you can say the most spoiled or rather pampered child they have. ये तो हो गई इधर उधर की बातें. Let me tell you the purpose of this video now. This vlog is basically my functional English assignment, and my instructor is watching. Assalamu alaikum ma'am. I hope you are fine, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for encouraging me to make a YouTube channel and living up to my dream. Indirectly, it was you who encouraged me to make a channel, because if it wasn't for your assignment, I would have never had the courage to do it. Since I'm already a blogger and slightly popular among my friends, that's why I posted a poll last year on my social media platform asking random people if I should start a YouTube channel or not, and most of the people voted for a yes, since they thought I can engage some audience as I have stories to tell and good communication skills. But then I started contemplating about whether I should make a YouTube channel or not, or bus here, and then something or the other happened which didn't let me pursue YouTube. But since this vlog assignment is here, I am also here. Let's talk about my educational background now. I was a pre-medical student who had no clue about how the computer world looks like. But the lockdown turned my life upside down. And here I am doing bachelor's in computer science. I have a backstory to tell you. Since the lockdown happened to this world, no board exams could take place, and no examinations resulted in promotions, and I was 3% behind to get into a med school. Even though my parents were very supportive of me, they even asked me if I wanted to take a gap year. At some point even I wanted to take a gap year. No board exams could take place. I was devastated since I've been studying so hard to get into a med school, and then all of a sudden I see exams cannot happen. I was super upset seeing all my hard work go in vain, having to go to the academy every single day without a single day off, just to know in the end that your hard work has now wasted. After spending 6 to 8 months in lockdown, I was done. I was done with sitting at home. I thought of myself as some wild animal and the house as some zoo. Well, I could not, let's just say that I could not take the lockdown very well, and I was not a fan of sitting at home and doing nothing. Well, those 6 to 8 months made me realize that there is no way I want a gap year. Even if I tried to do it, I would go insane. I just couldn't. Then what I did was I just sat down with my father, told him that Papa, I can't do it, like study so hard for intermediate again, because I already did that last year. I was so well prepared for board exams, but thanks to Corona. What if I did that all over again? But the second thoughts in my head were, क्या ही guarantee है that everything will be normal, and the world will be COVID free by 2021. These were the thoughts crossing my mind back in 2020, and guess what, I was right. Look at us, we're still dealing with COVID. Try to cut it short, मैंने पापा को बोला कि बस एडमिशन लेना है, and there is no way I want a gap year because I will go insane if I do that. I think I made the right decision by saying that I want to take admission. Now I'll be completed one semester, alhamdulillah. And that is how I chose CS. Let's talk about the backstory. Before choosing CS, I explored my options and looked into what's available for me and what's not. Then I got to know that there are many good medical related fields still open for me, but I wanted to do BDS. MBBS करना नहीं था, BDS ही करना था, because not everybody wants to be a doctor, some wants to be a dentist as well, and I wanted to do BDS. But when I got to know that BDS is not available for me, so then no other medical program could attract me towards that. Since I had zero knowledge about computer, but I thought let's do something bigger and better and something very different. Even if I don't know anything about it right now, I will get to know about it in future. My sister, who is also my mentor, she's a computer systems engineer. She told me that she's here for me, and no matter what I choose, she will be there for me. But if I want to go for CS, she will help me. And that's how I had the courage, I developed the courage, and my decision was right because it's past one semester almost, and alhamdulillah I am doing great in computer science. My parents played a big part in letting me choose what I chose for myself. They have literally been always there for me telling me that it's okay if I take more than 2 years in intermediate, because everybody has their own journey and they take their own time. Telling me that it's okay, not everybody has to be a doctor. We are there for you, and we are there in your good and bad times, and they proved it. I'm not trying to flex, but just being grateful that I have such wonderful parents. यूजुअली देसी पेरेंट्स इतने सपोर्टिव होते नहीं हैं, मेरे तो हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ आई चोज कंप्यूटर साइंस, because I decided to be an all-rounder, and now I'm somebody who knows about medical as well as computer. Besides having amazing blogging skills and content writing skills, I have one more skill, but it is one of those skills I do not utilize. I am someone who enjoys cooking and baking as well, but once in a blue moon. I feel that this is one of the skills given to almost all of us during the last year's lockdown. I made some wonderful desi dessert last year. One of my interests includes reading. I'm a major book freak. I love reading English novels especially. I'm somebody who enjoys reading them. I love cricket. I guess love is a very small word and it won't do justice to my obsession with cricket. But my Twitter bio explains it very well. As it says, cricket ही मेरी इस एंजाइटी का इकलौता सहारा है. And that is all I had to say. Lastly, wishing the best of everything to all of you, especially health. Go get vaccinated, everybody. Please, to any of you watching me in any corner of the world, please go get vaccinated. It is very important. Please go get vaccinated. I hope we get through this pandemic very soon, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.